How to fix Apple Store billing problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on your name on top of your screen and then tap on the payment and shipping option you see there. Here, go ahead and verify that your card details, expiration date and billing addresses are correct, and if not, then correct them. You can also remove and re-add your payment method if necessary, or you can also add a completely different payment method. Now, go a step back and then tap on the media and purchases option you see there, and then tap on the view account option. Further, enter your Face ID or passcode, and once entered, tap on the purchase history option you see there and pay any outstanding balances before making new purchase. Also, ensure that your billing address matches the address registered with your bank or bank card provider. See if that helps you, and if not, then you can also check for your available funds. So make sure your card or account has sufficient funds to cover the purchase. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then in this particular interface itself, tap on the sign out option you see there and sign yourself out and then sign back in, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then go a step back and then tap on general and then on software update. Here, make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your iPhone. Also, you can also try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can also contact your bank, as some banks block online or international transactions. So ask if your bank if they are declining the payment. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Apple Store billing problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.